Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix no sound during phone calls on Realme 11 Pro Plus. So first, check the volume during a call with the side volume up and volume down button, but you need to do it during a call. Then, in quick settings, disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices such as speakers or headphones. Then, take a microfiber and clean your ear brush right in here. Then, if nothing worked, you can test with another call or another app such as WhatsApp and restart your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.